The Food Service Exchange presents.
Hi, I'm Bill Verity, President of Crown Verity, and we're going to talk today about our portable hand washing sinks. Hand washing is a very important part of food prep and food service. It's very, very important, and that's why we developed this product. And the markets we developed these portable sinks for are grocery stores, warehouse clubs, schools, colleges, universities, stadiums, shopping malls, airports, hospitals, nursing homes, golf clubs, country clubs. The rental industry is another big market, and of course caterers and contract feeders use these every day, day in and day out. Our product ranges from a one compartment sink, a two compartment, and a three compartment. We also have what we call a space saver that's available in a single compartment sink only. Our base units are 25¼ inches deep and they're 34¼ inches wide. And our space savers, they're 24¼ so 10 inches narrower and the same depth of 25¼ inch. All our sink carts are stainless steel construction, 304 stainless steel. Very important features that we have NSF certification, CSA, UL, or equal certification. Every unit has hot and cold running water. We'll turn a little hot on, a little cold, and they're great for hand washing. Standard equipment in all Crown Verity portable sinks, paper towel dispenser, a backsplash, and all units come complete with a soap dispenser that can be mounted wherever the operator wants. We also have available an optional hands-free faucet. There's a sensor on the bottom. Put my hands in, we have water. Works every time, a great option. Let's take a look inside a Crown Verity portable sink and see what makes it work. All Crown Verity portable sinks come complete with a freshwater 20-liter freshwater tank. We take this out and they're potable and portable, and we have a 30-liter wastewater tank. When it's full, take it out and dispose of the water. All units come complete with a 2.5-gallon water heater. This gives us our hot water. All units come with a duplex receptacle, are 120 volt and can plug in anywhere for your water heater and your water pump. Our 4 casters make the units very portable and easy to move. 2 of the casters are swivel and the other 2 are locking, so once in place you can lock the unit tight.